In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Adobe Reader. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open the document, then you want to go to the right-hand side here, and you want to click on Fill and Sign. Now, when you do that, you want to click on Sign Yourself at the top, and then here it's going to say Add Initials and Add Signature. So for me, I have one already, and by default, there we go, it's going to say Add Signature. You want to click on that, and then from here, you can use three options. The first one is to type your name. So for example, I can do Instant How To like this. Click on Apply, and then it's going to basically position me to where I can click anywhere, and it's going to insert a signature, and I can resize it, move it, whatever. I could also use the second option, which is to draw it yourself. So if I click on here, minus, and then add it, you can draw it yourself as well. Like for example, instant, there we go, whatever, apply. And it's going to do the same thing. And then the third option you have is going to be to actually take a picture of it. So if I do again like this, you can do image, and you can select the image, so you can like type down your signature or like write it on a piece of paper. You can take a picture, upload the image in here, and you can use that as your signature as well. Okay, so those are the options you have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.